Today's goal is to name transformations of quadratic functions in vertex form. Recall that vertex form looks like f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. When we're talking about transformations, I think of transformers. They are little robots, right, that transform or change shapes. So transform is just talking about changes. How can you make a quadratic function different? How can you change it? Okay, we're only talking about vertex form because it's easier to talk about what effect do a, h, and k have on the function than talking about how we can change functions in other forms. Keep in mind we have two other forms. We have the standard form of a quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. It's pretty hard to say what b does to a function in this form. We also have factored form of quadratic functions will look like y equals a times the quantity x minus r1 times the quantity x minus r2. Well, it's easy to say r1 and r2 are roots, but it's really hard to talk about other changes. Your directions for today are as follows. You need to copy these conclusions into your notebook and fill them out. Today's video is very short because you'll spend most of your time playing around with this website. In this function, notice this is close but not quite vertex form. You need to play around to fill out these conclusions. If you're having trouble following these directions, please watch the next video, which will be titled 1.09 Extra Help. That's it. Have fun playing. We'll talk about these conclusions tomorrow.